Let's make an impossible lemon pie. So to make the impossible lemon pie, you need 2 cups milk, 3/4 cup sugar, 1/2 cup bisquick baking mix, 4 eggs, 1/4 cup butter melted and cooled, 1½ teaspoons vanilla, 1/4 cup lemon juice, bottled is fine. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take a 9-inch pie pan and spray it with cooking spray. Put all of the ingredients in a blender. Make sure that your butter is cool. The 1/2 cup bisquick mix, and I made a mess all over the place. 2 cups milk. 3/4 cup sugar. 4 eggs. 1/4 cup melted cooled butter, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla. Put the lid on, and then you want to blend it on low. I just have blend. But you want to blend it on low for 3 minutes. Helps if you turn the power on. So we have it all mixed up, and then pour it into your prepared pie pan. Well, it looks pretty full. I'm sure I'm going to spill it when I put it in the oven. Then let it sit and rest for 5 minutes before putting it into the oven. Put the prepared impossible lemon pie in a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. So it's been 40 minutes. I took it out of the oven. I'm guessing it's done. I've never made this before. It poofed up, and when I took it out, it settled back down. So it hadn't gotten very golden brown on the top like I thought it was supposed to. So I put it back into the oven for another 10 minutes. I didn't think that it had gotten golden brown on top, so I wasn't sure if it was done. It still hasn't really gotten very much brown on the top, but it is browning on the side. So I'm going to call it good and hope that it is done. Now, you need to fully cool it before you can cut into it, and then you can either eat it right away after it has fully cooled, or you can put it into the refrigerator and then take it out to serve when you are ready. So I will see you then. So here is the impossible lemon pie. I'll let my husband do a taste test.
This is good. It's got a kind of a custard texture.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.